The multi-function steering wheel houses two switch clusters and the centrally located electric horn button. The switch cluster to the right operates the vehicle's cruise control function. The top inner switch turns the cruise control on and off, while pressing the bottom of the inner switch cancels the function. Press the top of the middle button to set the vehicle's desired cruise speed. Press the bottom of the middle button to resume the desired cruise speed. Press the top of the outer button to increase the cruise speed. Press the bottom of the outer button to reduce the cruise speed. To sound the electronic horn, press the horn icon on the centre of the steering wheel. The switch cluster to the left operates the vehicle's radio functions. The top inner switch mutes the radio. Press it again to deactivate the mute function and return to the radio. Pressing the bottom of the inner switch cycles through the radio's modes. The middle switch operates the search function depending on which source is active in the player unit.
Innovative Tasmania Awards.
Press the top of the switch to advance forward and the bottom of the switch to return backwards.
Alvin in Scottsdale. Hello mate, how you going?
I'm good, Brian. How are you?
The outer button controls the volume. Press the top to increase the volume and the bottom of the button to decrease the radio's volume.